Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys doing? I'm doing a-okay. I'm doing better. If you guys saw my most recent haul, I hauled this kit. It is for August, the monthly. The only reason it was delayed is because I was waiting on the kit to get here. And I ordered it with plenty of time. It was just during a sale and that delayed the shops, you know. So you do what you gotta do, right? Anywho, we're gonna get into this. If you haven't seen that haul, just go back and watch it. Trust me, you want to watch the haul all the way to the end. And I know I'm very, very chatty in it, but watch the haul all the way to the end. There may be a surprise, or there may not be. Ooh, spooky. So anyway, this kit is from SparklesDelight. Here is the main first page with the top headers. Here's your sidebar, boxes everywhere, quarter boxes, boxes to cover the days not in the month, date dots, paydays, day offs, icons, and quarter labels. Let me flip back to July, show you guys how July came out. It came out so pretty, and I kind of attempted to do the notes page, but I didn't fill it out. Like, really? That's become like a theme, I think. No, I filled out June, filled out May, did not fill out April. So, that's becoming a thing. But, I don't have any grand plans. I have 2 birthdays and a dentist appointment. So this is going to be a really quick video. So definitely hang out, enjoy putting down stickers with me, and I'll talk to you guys again at the end. So, if you've been with me a while, you know what that means. Here we go. So that's it for August. This sticker over here was a little cut funny. I think she just miscut either this bottom or the top, I'm not sure, so I had to trim it to fit. Not a big deal. So I used up this whole sheet, so into the garbage, and then this is what I have left. I'm going to have to cut these sheets down just so that I can get them in the back of my planner, because I take them with me. I think I still have Jackson Pepper here. Yeah, see, I have the leftovers of Jackson Pepper back here, so that can come out. And then that can go in the garbage. I think these will fit now. I think I'm gonna save. Should I save this and like put it on the sheet so I know where it came from? Is that terrible? I'm sure I'll remember, but you know, just in case. I'll just take that off. Then I'll cut this one down. There's nothing wrong with cutting sticker paper. It cuts. It's good. Okay, so I think what I'll do is just wait. Let me see here. Does that look even? No. Sometimes I do this and I really like it, and then other times I do it and I don't. So I just take the shop name. This is where, like, guys, if you were an Etsy or sticker shop owner, make your shop name a sticker on at least your freebie. So, which is odd, I didn't even get a freebie with this shop. Oh yeah, I did. Never mind, I lied. This was the freebie. Silly, silly me. So what I am going to do is take this and stick it right down here at the bottom. Whew, more centered. Ugh. Tweezers, save me. Okay. What it is, I can't see with my fingers in the way. So that's why I use tweezers, plus my talons. Okay, so that's everything. And this goes back here. Flip back open. I can't believe it's August, guys. Okay, so additional stickers. Sick Day is from Formless Designs. This little sick girl is from Sticky Acorn. This little girl is from, her name's Loretta from Cupcakes and Stickies, and the appointment was from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and then these were from Jackson Pepper, left over from last month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please, please, please hit that thumbs up. It really does help me a lot. And don't forget to go check out that haul that was just posted, the last one posted on my channel. There's a reason. Or maybe there's not. Okay, enough hints. I'll talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.